So, how to become a good logo designer?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Well, when you're starting out, you don't really know if what you've designed is actually good, right? You might like it, your girlfriend or boyfriend might like it as well, but let's be honest, your and their opinion probably won't be objective. So it's really good to learn from others and submit your designs to online professional forums for other designers to comment. Someone once said that copying is the most honest compliment, and while that being absolutely true, I'm not encouraging you in any way to steal other designers' projects, but I'm advising you to study the best logo designs. See how they use colors, fonts, negative space, and then try to implement all you learn from it into your own designs. It's best to learn from the best. There's a lot of online repositories, blogs, and websites for designers where you can find really great logo designs. Don't be lazy and take some time to browse through them, because in logo design, good preparation is essential, and one of the key ingredients of good preparation is, of course, research. Internet gives you limitless possibilities in terms of logo design and research, so do your homework and check if the design you came up with hasn't already been done thousands and thousands of times. On the other hand, some design that you stumble upon might be a great incentive for your own idea. Of course, your research must not be limited only to checking with Google if someone hasn't already done something you came up with. A good designer's research is first and foremost discovering the company you're designing the logo for. Study what they do, what they want to accomplish by their new logo, what their brand communicates or wants to convey through the logo. Also, don't forget to research your clients' competition and their brand identities. I think it was Tolstoy who once said that self-criticism is the foundation of a real talent. While that may be true, don't be too eager to overly criticize yourself. Don't get discouraged if your design isn't the best in the world. Don't fall into tears because you didn't win some design contest. Take it rather as a fantastic opportunity to learn. As I said, submit your designs to forums and let other designers comment on them. Read what they have to say. Think of what they say. At the beginning, I guess you won't be too eager to submit your designs for appraisal because you'll be too scared of what the pros have to say, but trust me, it is for your own good to hear some harsh words early in your design career, so you can avoid disappointments in the future. I think the best places for designers to show off their work and to hear the comments of other designers are Behance, DeviantArt, and Dribbble. When doing your research, you will definitely come across logo design trends, and you probably will be tempted to incorporate some of the styles that are currently trendy into your designs. So, is it good or bad practice? Trends come and go, and a good logo design should stay with a company for years or decades. Of course, redesigns happen and sometimes they are unavoidable. Because the character of the company or its structure changes. So generally it's good or even essential to keep up with the trends, to be aware of what's hot and what's not. In fact, in the logo design part of this course, we'll create one or two logos that are currently in. But you must not let yourself succumb to making your every logo design project trendy. If you want to find out what's hot this year in logo design, check out Logo Lounge. Every year they make a fantastic compilation of logo design trends. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at using typography and colors in logo design, so stay tuned.